This, if you box somebody with this, them teeth are gonna drop out.
Them calling me, calling me, calling me. Hear me now. Them calling me the Islander.
What's up, guys? Today we're in Port Antonio. We're currently at Marton Designs. They make handmade shoes and sandals with their own bare hands right here on the island. So you know, say island girl style, I have to catch up with the owners, Marton and Rocky. Rocky, I gonna show me how she do her thing, and of course, we want to learn some more about the business that's here on our beautiful island in Port Antonio. Let's go.
Hi Khalia, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm not too bad.
Yeah.
My name is Rocky. I am partners with my husband with Marton Sandals. We design leather goods, vegan goods. Everything is done by hand, no machine.
I spent some time trying out some sandals at their store right by the seaside and was impressed with the collection. They have over 100 styles and all of them are available to their local and international customers on their Etsy store.
I want to see how you guys make these. So
Alright.
You can show me?
Yeah, alright. So this is where all the magic happens. So it depends on the style that we are going to make. We cut from the leather with our stencils what we're gonna do, and from there we fit up, we gum, we double gum because we want to make sure that everything is holding. So for instance, this is a style, something that is almost finished but not quite. So we cut the top, we fit it up, and then we call it bottoming.
Okay.
So we cut the plastic. What I'll do now is once I've cut everything, I shave it down and make sure that it's nice and not lumpy at the bottom. We gum it, we put it on, then I have to heel it because you still want to make sure that everything is nice and smooth and even. Then we rub. And once we rub, we buff. And once we buff, we polish.
It's kind of like nails.
Exactly like nails. Exactly like nails. Alright, I'm gonna give you the next foot.
Oh my god, I'm making somebody's sandals. Somebody's gonna buy these and wear these. Wow. You think I could make it as a Marton slipper maker? Would you hire me?
It will take some time, but it'll take some time for you to catch on. But
I didn't ruin the slipper. You
no,
can still sell that one.
Yes, we can. My husband pretty much started this business 19 years ago. This is something that took him off the streets. He's always been a big dreamer. He just really wanted to make a change, so he decided to do something crazy one day.
Every single thing that you buy from here, you know that somebody sat through this.
Or stood through it.
Yeah, because I don't see any chairs here. Stood through this and made this with love.
Last year we actually got the shoe lab. We were broke after we got it, but it was worth it.
Styles have names like Candy, Melon, Donna and Lillian that has an interchangeable flower, which I think is pretty cool.
I was always a person that loved art and craft growing up, so when I met my husband, we just gelled. To find somebody that is on the same page with you is pretty awesome. All of the pieces that we make are like our children.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah, they're like our babies. We touch every piece.
Yeah.
From their small store here in Jamaica, they're reaching customers worldwide in places like Poland, Russia, USA and more.
Being an island girl, my country means a lot to me. We want to bring Jamaica to the world. We want people to know of our country, we want people to know of our parish.
These sandals are so cute, and spending the day here today made me love them even more because I can see the craftsmanship that goes into this. It ain't no joke. So you know what I'm gonna do with them here? Dash for these. I'm gonna leave with these, and of course the ones that I made. I think I'm gonna give them to my sister. Thank you for watching this video. You've made it this far, so you might as well subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss another one of my new videos. The song that you heard playing in the background is my song. It's called Island Girl. I know you like it, so I left a link in the description so you can listen to it and stream it with any service that you use to stream music. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you in the next video.